Good morning students, all of you. Students, today's third lecture about the subject computer. Okay? So students, in previous lecture we studied the first lesson a computer. So in this computer we study the difference between the physical effort and mental effort. So physical effort means any work we can do with our hands and legs, and mental effort means any work is challenging to the brain is called the mental effort. Okay, so in first lesson we studied the what is a computer or definition of a computer. So tell me the what is meant by computer. I tell, listen carefully. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine which is made up of different parts. A computer is an electronic machine which is made up of different parts like the keyboard, mouse, CPU box, monitor, printer. Which parts? Keyboard, mouse, CPU box, monitor, printer. Okay? As well as we study about the functions of a computer. There are three main functions of computer: input, processing, output. Okay, and we see the example about the flour mill compared to the input, output and processing. Okay, so students, today we study about the subject computer. Okay, चित्र पाहता तुमचं लक्षात आलं असेल सब्जेक्ट कोणता आहे? कम्प्युटर. लेसन नंबर 2, पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कम्प्युटर. So I have one question. Tell me the which parts of a computer? Already you studied in third standard, in some parts in the first lesson, in fourth standard. So tell me the which parts of a computer? So students, the main functions of computer are the input, output and processing. Input, processing and output. So today we study descriptively the functions of a computer. What is the name of lesson? Main point. What is the name of main point? Functions of a computer. What are the functions of computer? So students, the three main functions of computer. How many functions? Three main functions of a computer. First is the input, second is the processing, third is the output. So already you know that in previous lecture we study input means we compare with a flour mill and we see the examples. Input means food grains, processing means grinding and output means flour. Okay. So students, the functions of a computer, there are three main functions of computer. First is the input, second is the processing and third is the output. Okay. So first of all, see on a blackboard, input. So which are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse. Okay. So keyboard, this is a keyboard. This is a keyboard and this is a mouse. Okay. So students, the input devices are the keyboard and mouse. Then processing unit means CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit means CPU. Okay. Then output. So which are the output devices? Monitor and printer. Monitor means like this is a picture of monitor, like a TV screen. Monitor, okay? And printer. So see here, this is a CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit, and these are the monitor. This is a monitor. It is a TV like screen. Okay? Then it is a printer. Okay? This is a printer. So students, first of all I read the lesson. See in a book and please put the finger on the each word. The main functions of a computer are input, second processing, third output. Which are the main functions? Input, processing, output. In short, आपण कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? IPO, I for input, P for processing, O for output. So a computer must be made up of devices, means parts. Device means part, that are used for input, processing, output. Okay. So a computer is made up of 5 main devices. The computer's 5 main devices are the first is the input. First of all, functions. Which functions? Input, processing, output, and there are 5 main devices. So 5 main devices are the keyboard, mouse, CPU means central processing unit, and monitor, printer. Okay. So students, a computer is made up of 5 main devices: keyboard, mouse, CPU box means central processing unit, monitor, and printer. Okay. So here give the chart functions of a computer. So which functions of computer? We repeat again. See here carefully. Input. Which are the input devices? Keyboard and mouse. Then second process is the processing. So which are the processing unit? CPU. CPU means central processing unit. And output. Which are the output devices? Monitor and printer. Okay. So the keyboard and mouse are used to enter data into computer. The keyboard and the mouse are used to enter data into the computer. Means because these are the input devices. Why it is called the input devices? It is called the input devices because the keyboard and mouse are used to enter data into the computer. Next, they are used for input and so they are called the input devices. What are the reason? So they are used for the input and so they are called the input devices. Then CPU. What is meant by CPU? CPU means central processing unit. CPU means central processing unit. So central processing unit. The CPU processes the input to give the output, and so it is called the central processing unit. Why it is called the central processing unit? Because the CPU processes the input to give the output, and so it is called the central processing unit. The monitor displays the output produced by the CPU. The monitor displays output. Therefore, this is called the output devices. Why the monitor is called the output devices? Because the monitor displays the output produced by the CPU, means central processing unit. C for central, P for processing, U for unit. Okay. So the printer is used to print and the output on the paper. The printer is the output device. So the printer is used to print the output on paper. Both these devices are used for output and so they are called the output devices. Understand what is meant by output devices? Why it is called the output devices? Why the keyboard and mouse called the input devices, and why the CPU is called the processing devices? And in previous lecture we compare with the floor mill. Okay. So students, today's homework of subject computer, draw the chart about functions of a computer and write the main functions and name of parts of the computer. Okay, thank you.